Let's just start running some numbers. Let's just console log this out. So we will see, so it'll be this eval steal formula. We've got to pass in a target, which is just given to us with target. Steal item data, I think we have it in there, or we maybe don't yet, but we should add it. When we look through data class ID, yep, add steal item const base steal chance equals number and match 3 because we now have 3. Base steal chance, add it in here. Oh, base steal chance, steal items push. Okay. I think this is good. Good. Steal item. Oh yeah, we need to use the correct formula here. Console log base steal chance. Okay, so we're passing to the target and the base steal chance. We're evaluating the formula and then logging it out. Let's see if we get some kind of decent looking number out. It's got 0 items. No items. What did I break? Just log out the match. See. Why? Why is it not running anymore? Oh, hold on. It's because I changed the regular expression and I didn't add another thing here. So I think that's it. We're just adding another space here and then adding another number. So let's see if that's caught the problem. Great. Well, we've got the items coming in again. We see there is some kind of third option here. So we'll try and steal. And this should, I think the 100 gold was 25, so let's see. Okay, I haven't updated the script, which means it's only using a formula which is the base chance. So there's the base chance, and it looks like it printed out 25. So just to test it, we'll try out another thing. These were both 10. Yeah, base chance 10, and it's evaluating 10. So let's try updating the script and seeing if our formula is actually working, if it's going to do something or not. So I'm going to steal the goblins 100G. Alright, so it looks like it's doing something and it is evaluating. So I should probably floor this number just so it's a whole number. I don't want to be messing around with smaller numbers, I don't think. And then I can just do a random number between 0 and 100 maybe. Or what? What's the logic here? What am I trying to do? Random number between 1 and 100? Yeah, it's 1 and 100 because the 0 should be unattainable, which is 0%. So I'll just ask AI to blast me out a quick random number for JavaScript. Okay. So here it's evaluating the chance. I should probably have some successful um, steal success, and then we just run certain things here, or we can have steal fail, and then we can call whichever one is better. Failure function. Okay, so let's we'll say const steal chance equals this. If the steal chance is less than or equal to 0, we're just going to do the steal fail and then return, because we don't want to do any of the other calculations if they have no chance of getting it anyway. So I think the logic is you roll a random number, and if the steal chance is less than the random number, then it succeeds. I think that oh no, it's the other way around. I think if the random number steal chance 5%, random number 0 to 100 or 1 to 100 and get 40. Why is my brain not working? Yeah, so this number, the rolled number, has to be less than or equal to the steal chance. Okay. Steal chance. Then we will do this steal success. And we'll do, if it's greater, we'll do steal failure and return again. And then anything that happens below this is because it was a success. So, okay. We will log the random number and we will log the steal chance. Probably worth adding a bit of context to these numbers so it's not too difficult to understand. Probably don't need that anymore. just say this dot steal success. It's going to be this stuff here. Passing a target, I think. And then we'll just do the same thing here, but with some negative things. So we'll say steal attempted true. Steal success was false. Steal item, I don't think we need it. If we failed, we won't make success. Okay. I don't know how far we'll get, but we'll test it. Let's just see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that just to make the test a bit nicer to look at. Okay, here we go. So let's see, we're gonna steal 100G, 25. We rolled 20, which is below 27.25. Which means it would have been a success. It did run steal success, which is nice, but the result of undefined 339. Result of undefined. Oh, we didn't pass in the target. Silly bugger. Target, target, and target. But I'm getting good vibes. Good vibes. We will steal the potion. Random roll was 50. And we rolled that. Steal item data 342. I guess we need the steal item data too. Okay, just steal item data like that. Pass in the success. And I think these game actions get created as an action happens, so I don't think we need to worry about resetting any of this stuff. Let's steal the potion. Alright, so I missed the message at the top. It goes so fast. I wonder if I can slow that down somehow. Base chance 50, but because of the calculations, it made it 52.25. We rolled 15, which is below this number, so we got it. And then we check here, and we did actually get it. So we'll try it with a difficult one. 10%, 12, which I think means we failed. So let's check. Yep, both of them still have the Dragon Blade and the Brigandine, so we know that we didn't actually steal it. Let's try again. Dragon Blade on Goblin A. Oh, we rolled 3, so we did actually get it. Very nice. And then when we check, yep, it's gone. I need to be trying to cut. There we go. I did see the message at the top that time. Good stuff. We're getting really lucky with these steel rolls. Pity that my luck isn't like that usually. Alright, so what do we actually have left to do? Is that it done? Are we finished? We've got an argument here and a command. I don't think we need it. So let's get rid of some of this useless code. Don't need that. Steal all is a bit crazy, and maybe I'll just take out. Why would you want steal all? Yeah, it's a bit silly. I don't know. I'll take out unless people are absolutely screaming for it and begging me to do steal all, then I'll just leave it out. So this is steal items, and I just want to check if I was to add in some kind of damage, show that it did actually do something. Normal attack, it does 20 damage. And then I run the game. Let's see if it deals damage and steals. Okay, special. Try and get the potion. Nice. It said he took damage and the steal failed. That is very cool. 54 and it rolled 54 when he needed 52. Yep, I'm very happy with this. It's looking good. Let's get rid of the comments. Console dot or the logs, sorry. Get rid of it. Get rid of it. You know, an add-on to this that would be pretty cool is to have items that add on to your base steal chance. That'd be pretty cool. I could always just add something in that if you understand how to do evaluations, you can maybe just add it via note tags or something. Yeah, you know what? I'll leave that for an add-on plugin because I think that'd be quite cool to actually make something from. Okay, so let's see. We've got plugin parameter. Don't really need all that there. Okay. We don't need a space there. Game enemy. Okay, so we have the scene battle. Window steal item. I wonder. Game action. I end up using a lot more of game action than I thought. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, yeah, looks good. Let's just test again. Let's steal item. I did just think about a bug there, actually. Let's say we have two people that can steal. And they both steal the same item. So you try and steal the 100 gold, and you try and steal this exact same 100 gold. Let's see what happens. Okay, steal failed twice. Come on. 99. Okay, stole 100. It did it twice. Why? wonder why I let them do it. And second of all, I wonder if I actually did do it or not. You know, before this, let's see. Let's see if we can add in steal items dot does target have item. Pass in the target and we'll pass in some steal item data. It can be a filter. And let's see. So target dot steal items. Found items equals filter. So this would be steal item. And steal item ID is equal to steal item data dot ID. So only if these two things match will we add it to found items, and if found items is a thing and found items dot length 0 return true. Let's see, does target have item? We're going to check that before we allow it to go through. If and this steal item data. So if he doesn't, let's just make it that way. If he doesn't, then we will return. I guess there could be a little message there saying target no longer has item. Oh, then I should probably add it here as well. It's fine, you know what? It's if the item isn't on the enemy, we just pass over the turn. So steal, 100 Gs, 100 Gs. Oh, that just skipped over twice. So I need to console log. Oh, if that or that. Wait, what? What am I doing here? I think I've screwed it. There we go. If the found item exists and that, okay, that's maybe what the problem was. I think I just screwed up my if statement. We'll steal the 100 Gs. Stole the 100 G. I did it again. Let's console log the target before he tries to steal here. Steal items. Okay, the gold is gone. Still gone, but it still seems to allow it. That is very strange. Okay, let's just console log then. Console log found items. Okay. Nothing. It didn't find it the second time. There was. So that should have been false. Excuse me. I wonder if it is this then. I wonder if it still thinks that this went ahead when it maybe didn't. Interesting. That might be the problem. Need to turn these off again, it seems like. Uh, so this is coming from the target, which is maybe the issue. Maybe right after we use this, we should reset it. So I think it'd be in here. We'll reset that to false. Um, steal item. We'll set that to null. Oh yeah, we can set to null or undefined if we have to. So steal success is going to be null. It's not true or false, but it's null. Yeah, that's interesting. Let's see if that was the problem. So 100 Gs, and then we just attacked and it didn't say anything. So 100 Gs are gone. And let's try this other one. So 100G, attacked and didn't steal. Okay, wonderful. Looks like that problem has been solved. Yeah, I think I'm good with this one then. Quite a cool script. I'm looking forward to building some variations, trying to steal beneficial buffs and things like that. And what other kind of stealing do we have? Who knows? Anyway, it's not the time for it in this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video.